a resistor of 2 ohm, inductor of 100 microhenry, means 100 into 10 raised to minus 6 Henry, capacitor of 400 picofarad, pico means 10 to the power minus 12 farad, and they are all connected in series across an AC source of EMF. ERMS is equal to 0.1 volt. Now at resonance, resonance, what is the condition for resonance? XL is equal to XC. XL is equal to what? XC means Z, which is equal to under root of R square plus XL minus XC whole square. So therefore Z becomes equal to R. As XL equal to XC, it means XL minus XC equal to 0. XL minus XC equal to 0, or Z becomes equal to R. So at resonance, voltage drop across inductor, means at resonance we have to find out what is EL. So to find out EL, first we will find out the current. At resonance, current flowing through the circuit. At resonance, current flowing through the circuit I equal to E RMS divided by R, because Z is equal to R. What is the RMS voltage applied? 0.1 divided by, what is the resistance here? Resistance of 2 ohm. So current I is equal to 0.05 ampere, 0.05 ampere. Now the angular frequency at resonance omega R is equal to 1 upon under root of LC, 1 upon under root of LC, that is 1 upon under root of, what is the value of L? 100 into 10 to the power minus 6. And what is the value of C? Value of C is 400 into 10 to the power minus 12, 400 into 10 to the power minus 12, and this is equal to 5 into 10 to the power 6 hertz, 5 into 10 raised to power 6 hertz. So the angular frequency omega R is equal to 5 into 10 to the power 6 hertz. Now XL is equal to, we know the formula for XL, XL is equal to omega R into L, that is equal to 5 into 10 to the power 6 into, what is the value of L? Value of L is 100 into 10 to the power minus 6, plus 6 minus 6 cancel, 5 into 100, that is equal to 500 ohm, 500 ohm. So XL omega R, XL is equal to 500 ohm. Now we want to find out voltage across inductor. EL is equal to, we know it is equal to I into XL. What is the current? Current is 0.05 volt. Inductive reactance XL is 500. So 0.05 multiplied by 500, so that EL, it comes to be equal to 25 volt. 5 5s are 25 and it is 25 volts. So out of 4 options, option C is the correct option for this question.